Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our hidden winch mount for the latest generation Toyota Land Cruiser. This is going to allow you to add much needed recovery for off-road and additional lighting. And the best thing is, it doesn't look like a tacked on afterthought. We have designed this to integrate perfectly into the factory bumper. The kit replaces the factory inner structure with a 7-gauge steel winch cradle and 11-gauge steel accessory mounts. It also integrates our LEDs. You can choose between an amber or a white LED. The kit also includes a custom molded center valance that integrates both the Haas Fairlead and the LEDs to complete that factory-like look. We also include an extension for your remote connection for a clean installation under the hood. And finally, the kit includes extended power connections to reach the 12-volt battery at the back of the vehicle. So if you've got the latest generation Land Cruiser and you want peace of mind by adding a winch and additional lighting wrapped up in an OEM-style package, look no further than our hidden winch mount kit, available today at roughcountry.com.